Welcome back to Daytime. If you know someone or if you have issues with circulation or the possibility of getting deep vein thrombosis, there is a new product out there called Venowave. And with us now is Dayna Switzer, who's the General Manager of Saringer Life Science Technologies in Stouffville. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having me.
Wonderful to have you. What a fantastic product.
Thank you.
Tell me, how did the inception begin with needing a product like this in the marketplace?
Well, basically, the inventor of the product, Mr. John Saringer, found has a long history in the medical field, and he always saw that there was a problem with people that didn't have a lot of mobility. And with immobile people, their circulatory problem is a major issue because our circulation is really dependent on moving and walking about and whatnot. That's what our bodies are meant to do. So he took the idea of poor circulation, which really affects the lower extremities, which are the feet, ankles, and calves, and wanted to find a solution to the problem of poor circulation in the legs. And he came up with this technological breakthrough called the Venowave, which I have here. And basically what this is, it's a very light, it weighs less than half a pound. It's a peristaltic pump that wraps onto the back of the calf. And using a patented wave-like technology, it constantly massages the leg, pushing the blood up from the affected leg up towards the heart. Yeah. So it's an enhancement to your circulation, basically.
It also looks like the Bane mask, which automatically makes me like it quite a bit. My adopted
From Batman.
Yeah,
of course.
She's down. My adopted Italian father, Piero, he was a stylist, a hairstylist for 25 years.
Right.
A perfect person. He also has diabetes. For someone who is similar to Piero, should they use it on both legs? What is the sort of process like?
Well, basically, for enhancing circulation, so if you have chronic swelling of the legs, that's basically the first symptom of circulation. Will either be chronic swelling, large inflamed calves, ankles, or on the flip side, if you have trouble with the arteries, which is bringing blood to the leg, you'll have cold, bluish feet. So those are basically the symptoms. And in more severe cases, what will happen is you'll develop ulcers, which can basically break because the skin is swelling and tight, it can break. And again, on the flip side, if you're not getting enough oxygen-rich blood to the areas, you'll have tissue damage, and then ulcers will start to form. So in your case, where there may be someone who, in your father's case, who may be standing all day, he may have problems with both legs, and then in that case, yes, definitely you would need 2 units.
Let's demonstrate this.
Sure.
My leg is available,
all right.
So
well,
just to see how it feels.
Slide over there. We'll slide over there a little bit. Get a little closer.
Get a little closer.
Well, just to see, this is a sleep guard, and what this is on for if you use it at night so it doesn't get caught in the sheets or whatnot. So this is actually the unit. If you want to
it's easy to use. It is very light.
It weighs less than half a pound, 250 grams.
Because often I've seen those machines where people stand and they shake or they vibrate to get their circulation going.
Our competitors are these very large pneumatic machines that can be thousands of dollars, and you have to be tethered into a wall. What's really unique and niche about our product is that it runs on 1 AA battery, which keeps it very, very light, and you can wear it all day long while undergoing treatment. So here, I'll put it on your legs.
Competitors are also much more expensive.
Much more expensive, yes. You know what? If you leave your legs straight, it'll be easier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you put it right behind the back of the calf.
Yeah.
Okay. Then when you get the product, you can actually cut it to your calf size. So I'm just going to wrap it for this demonstration purposes here.
Okay, so it's a Velcro connection.
It's a Velcro. These tabs here actually can make it snug.
And it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like it's weighting down my leg.
No. It weighs less than half a pound, and that's the whole idea. And you'll feel it's like a massage. A really nice small massage.
It is. It's rolling up and down the calf muscle.
Absolutely.
Should we get her to run a jog now, just to see how light it is?
We have patients that go hiking. They're playing basketball.
Really,
with
this on?
Absolutely. And what's really unique about the product, mainly, is we have 4 medical journal published clinical trials that have been done in connection with McMaster University and Hamilton Health Sciences, and they found that depending on how tight it is or how loose it is, really doesn't affect the effectiveness of the product. So the product will actually provide enhanced circulation at a comfortable wearing rate. So some people like a little bit more tight compression, other people want to wear it loose. And you can also adjust it depending on what you're doing. If you're sitting at your office and you want it a little bit tighter, great. If you're getting a little bit more active and you're going to be running, you need even a little bit more snug. The tabs are there to do that for you.
Let me ask you, you told me it's a medical 2?
It's a Class 2 medical device, Health Canada approved. In Canada, we're fortunate enough that we don't need a prescription, so this enables easy access to anyone suffering from poor circulation in the legs, chronic swelling, cold bluish feet, or people with ulcers that are either venous or arterial ulcers. Diabetics are most susceptible to foot problems, so this is a phenomenal product for diabetics that are suffering from foot wounds and just circulation in general in the foot and ankle area.
Now, when I hear about deep vein thrombosis, it's been in the news a lot for people who are on airplanes, who are on long flights, and it can possibly cause even death.
Absolutely.
Right? So would you wear this on the plane at your seat?
Yes, we have quite a number of executives, athletes, people that are traveling very frequently that will use this as, again, circulation enhancement on long haul flights, which are long haul flights are considered more than 4 hours. So as they always say on the airlines now, you'll even see it in the brochures: get up, walk around, pump your legs, and whatnot. This basically really enhances the circulation, gets your blood moving and going.
Great.
I'm just happy to see this product exist. I'll be quite honest with you. I'm very happy with it.
Because my grandmother was diabetic, and all of us would just take turns when we'd go to visit her. We'd massage her with some lotion and oils just to get the legs going. Because sometimes elderly people just don't even want to exercise anymore.
That's right.
It's too painful, right?
For more information, where should people go?
Venowave.com, www.venowave.com, and you can buy direct online, hit the buy now, and you can also call us at 888-1888, and that's area code 905.
Perfect. Or you go to rogerstv.com for all of today's guest information. We'll be right back with more Daytime, guys. Don't go anywhere.